Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
When the weather is cool and rainy, the body begins to demand something Chatpata and juicy. Beetroot Chutney Sabji, iron, vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants loaded. And how to make it? Let me show you. But before that, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Nama, may He bless us all with true knowledge and deep wisdom. Now, garden fresh hill or Punjabi ball lemon from my gardens. Just one will do, although we need only half. And garden fresh mint for the mint chutney. And along with that, cilantro, parsley flowers and coriander. Same quantity as mint and ginger as per as your taste. Garlic again as per as your taste. Now let's add all these to the blender. Yes, the chutney that we're going to make is mint chutney or pudina chutney. Now along with this, lemon, which we'll quarter, and add the juice of half the lemon or 4/4 of the lemon. When done, now garden fresh green chilies, again as per as your taste, freshly roasted cumin seeds, pink Himalayan rock or sea or any natural salt, red chili powder or black pepper, and chaat masala as per as your taste, jaggery or brown sugar or any natural sweetener, and blend into a fine green mint chutney dip or sauce and store in the freezer right away till to be used later. Now set up a chopping board and a sharp chef knife. Cut the scallion, green and spring onions as preferred by you in the cut. Now, the cut is as per as your choice. Now clean and clear the chopping board. Cut the tomatoes as preferred and clean and clear the chopping board. And now cut the green tops or leaves or stems of the scallion, green or spring onions in the cut preferred by you, and if you wish to add them to the sabji. Now cut, peel and grate the beetroots, and there. Now grate them. When grated, our vegetables are ready. Now let's cook. So agilao as usual, set up a fry pan, mustard oil, kachi ghani or cold pressed as usual, and asafoetida. Asafoetida aids in digestion and adds to the taste, and fragrance fills the air too. And now add cumin seeds while this butter thaw, and add the mint chutney dip or sauce that we had made earlier and stir well. And what a marvelous fragrance that fills the air. Now when done, add the scallion, green and spring onions and again stir well. And when done, add the grated beetroot and stir well to mix well. Can you imagine the taste? Can you imagine the fragrance that is filling the air? Well, yes. And now, coriander powder, red chili powder, pink rock, Himalayan or sea salt or any natural salt, cumin powder. Stir well to mix well. Look at that color. Imagine the fragrance and imagine the taste. Now add water from any natural sauce and stir well to mix well. When done, cover and cook for about 8 minutes. In the meantime, slit the garden fresh green chilies, again as per as your taste. This we will be using later. Uncover and stir well to mix well. Beautiful, isn't it? Now add the tomatoes and the green tops, that is the leaves, the stems of the scallion, green and spring onions, and again stir well to mix well. Beautiful color, beautifully juicy, and what a fragrance. Add garam masala and stir well to mix well again. Imagine how juicy this sabji is going to be. Now cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, beautiful. Add the slit green chilies and stir just a shake. Our sabji is done. I like my sabji juicy. Therefore switch off the heat. Plate and serve as main or side dish with roti, naan, paratha, rice, pulao, biryani, bread, etc. to all, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.